Hi guys, and welcome to this unboxing video for a Sonos Base in your face. Got some information here that says 16 kilograms, bend at the knees, quick start guide, power cable. So this is my very unscientific way of measuring the cable, and it is 1 meter 95. Rubber pads. You get a thingy cloth. You get a grid system of polyester stuff. Really useful. So on here it says you have to pull it up. There's the whole bit thing. So if you put it up on the sides like this, whoa, that's quite heavy. It's very heavy, so I'm going to put it on the floor.